don't know if you saw this one. There's a Spotify K-pop beef going on. So a bunch of songs, K-pop songs, disappear from Spotify in regions, well, globally, but regions other than Korea. There's some sort of a licensing battle going on, or at least a licensing contest going on between streaming services that already exist, competing with Spotify in Korea. And some of these license deals ran out for Spotify. So a bunch of K-pop vanished off Spotify, and then people went to Twitter, complained, saying, I'm going to cancel my Spotify. That's this K-pop stuff's a big deal to me. The artists that were pulled after the licensing dispute, artists like Hyun A, Epic High. Do you know any of this? You listen to Epic High or what?
No, I
all right, well, check it out. Check it out, because people are upset.
They seem like it, yeah.
Yeah, people are upset. A lot of people are trying to bail on Spotify. However, Epic High came out and said, what is this trash? A bunch of greedy people, and the artists and the listeners are in the middle of it. They kind of wish the stuff just stayed up. But you can find tweets, people saying it's time to cancel. I don't know if you've ever encountered the K-pop situation on Twitter.
No.
It's a whole thing, man.
Is it?
What, are you nuts? Don't tell me they didn't counter it. K-pop fans on Twitter are no joke. You don't want to get on the wrong side of it, man.
Oh, okay.
Here we have a quote from, I presume, a K-pop fan. Spotify has put the website under maintenance, presumably to prevent the large influx of people trying to cancel premium subs. I navigated the site and managed to find a way to contact a live agent and finally get my sub canceled. Please retweet for whoever needs this thread. Like, they make moves, man. There's serious fandom. They just say, you remove my stuff, I quit. I take my money, bye-bye. I'm going to go tweet about it, encourage everybody else to do the same thing. So I guess not great for Spotify. I don't know how big of an impact it is. They recently launched in South Korea. That's probably what caused some of the uproar.
Right.
What was it? Yeah. Oh, also, some of these groups say they're going to work to get their music back on Spotify. So I presume they're going to try to find a way to satisfy both parties. So it's not good for business, obviously, for the artists as well. And if the artist wants it bad enough, maybe they can navigate these licensing deals to make it pop back up. So shout out K-pop.